אנחנו ערב יום העצמאות. במלחמת העצמאות, לפני 76 שנים, היינו מעטים מול רבים. לא היה לנו נשק, היה אמברגו נשק על ישראל. אבל בתעצומות הנפש והגבורה והאחדות בתוכנו.
I've known Joe Biden for many years, so 40 years and more. We often had our agreements, but we've had our disagreements. We've been able to overcome them. I hope we can overcome them now, but we will do what we have to do to protect our country, and that means protect our future. We've destroyed about 20 battalions of the Hamas's 24 terrorist battalions. We have another 4 to go. They're in Rafah, and that's why we want to go into Rafah, because we can't leave them there. Basically, what they're trying to do is extort, blackmail us to leave Gaza, leave them in place, these battalions, and leave their leadership in place, and then they go in and take over Gaza again and do it again. Probably have to have some kind of civilian government, civilian administration by Gazans who are not committed to our destruction. Possibly, I think, with the aid of the United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, and other countries that I think want to see stability and peace. But we're going to have Israel continually root out terrorists, because I don't see anyone coming in to do that right now. Frankly, if I would, I'd love to, because I'd love to see that, but I don't see it. So we'll continue to take action against the remnants of the terrorist army.